Check out this retractable hardtop. 2004 Chevrolet SSR. Slingshot yellow, only a little over 15,000 miles on this one. Clean Carfax, 2-owner vehicle, regular maintenance, and no accidents all indicated on that Carfax. Of course, a 5.3 liter V8 underneath the hood. That is paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. And let's go ahead and take a look at this front fascia. As you can see, not much of anything really showing up for nicks, chips, anything like that. And if you come around here to the side, again, you can see how clean that paint is. Extremely nice shape, shows well taken care of, well maintained. Want to check out the still pictures so you can see the interior, the engine bay, the undersides. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Going to take you right there, and of course you can call us 507-386-1726. Of course, running boards and riding on the factory wheels that it would have been produced with back in 2004. I mentioned earlier, power retractable hardtop, and at the end of this video I'm going to grab a little help. We're going to run that top up and down so you can see it working. Black leather interior, bucket seats, of course the center console, and you're going to have all the modern amenities. Power locks, power windows, power mirrors, AM, FM, CD. So nicely equipped besides. What a good looking truck. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Of course, the dual exhaust exiting the rear. This vehicle also is going to come with a car cover. I will throw that in the bed of this truck. Speaking of the bed, it is like a bed liner, I would say, like a plastic or composite bed liner. It does have a carpeted mat in there also. You can see that in the still pictures. That's where I'll throw the car cover in. So when it is shipped to its next owner, you'll have a car cover for this. Once again, check out those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there, and over 100 pictures of this car online with the top up, top down, undersides, engine bay, interior. This one looks as good in person as it does the pictures in the video. Remember, we're open to third-party inspectors. You want somebody else to come take a look at this low-mile beauty, feel free to. Open door policy for them. Have somebody else put their eyes on it. Or if you want to come check it out yourself, be happy to have you do that also. All right, let's take a look at the seating area. Power seats, memory seats. As you can see, also heated. Take a look at this, hardly any wear. Yes, you're going to have just the natural wrinkling of the leather, just like a pair of expensive, nice leather shoes or leather coat. But no rips, tears, holes, uneven wear, anything like that. Carpeting, also nice shape. Steering wheel controls, driver's information center, also radio controls. As you can see, the dash, not sun-baked, cracked, anything like that. Center armrest. Again, what you'd expect with this kind of miles. And speaking of miles, let's check out the exact miles. Am I right on the money? 15,080. There it is. Again, AC. HVAC controls, AC blowing cold, working fine. Speaking of which, we're going to turn that off a second. Need to freeze in here. Alright, I have not noticed any modifications to this as far as engine, exhaust, anything like this. Sounds like you'd expect a stock 04 SSR to sound like. Slip around to the back here, you can hear it. Nothing crazy over the top, anything like that with the exhaust. Now let's just slip up to the front. Give me a second, I'm going to pause this, pop this hood open, let's check out the engine bay. And then we'll do the top.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. Covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here we go with the hood prop. First of all, Take a look at that hood liner. Does not appear this has been driven in any sort of inclement weather. Nice little touch. The engine bay. Vortec there. Of course, that's for the Vortec. 5.3 liter V8. And remember, power steering, power brakes. That's paired up with that automatic with overdrive transmission. Smooth running engine. Again, what you'd expect with a vehicle that has a little over 15,000 miles on it. Fun one to take to your local cruise-in shows. Open the hood up, show it off a little bit. All right, let me pause this one last time. I'm gonna close up this hood, run this top up and down a couple times, wrap this video up. All right, here we go. My lovely assistant Pat is gonna help us out with this top. So you can see it working going up. And it'll close all the way up like that. It'll chime to let you know it's complete, and then you can go back down the other way, show you it working both directions, and you always know it's finished and through when you hear that chime on the interior. Give you an idea how that slides in there. And there you hear the chime when it's done. 2004, 2-owner Chevrolet SSR, clean Carfax, low miles, no accidents indicated, slingshot yellow. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Just consult with your sales associate. You can call or email.